Yeah, my name is Trevor Dawkins and this is my site, TH Dawkins Photography, A Novice's Journey. I've been having issues getting my designs to display on my web browser as normal. What I'll do is I'll go and show the site properties box, and this is it. Page width of 960, minimum height of 500, one column width of 920 and a gutter of 20. The margins, the top, bottom, left and right at 20. And the padding, the top 36, bottom 36, nothing for the left, and centered horizontally. Now down on my main master, as I clicked it on, and we go into design mode. As you can see, that looks, the footer and header are placed where they should be. The navigation bar is where it should be. Now that's fine, but have a look what happens, how it looks when I go to the plan view. Notice how the footer is not down the bottom and it is up mid bottom, just below middle. That's confusing, but like I said, when you go into the design view it looks fine, and when you go into preview it also looks fine. That is good the way it is. Okay, we'll go back to the plan. Now the issue with my home page is this. I'll click it on. Originally I had this about there and this one about here. Notice how the lighthouse is at the top down to the bottom, and when I click on the pictures you notice that I've pinned it to the top left. Both of them been pinned to the top left so they come close together. But you have a look at this, the design page. Now have a look what happens when we go to preview. Notice the massive gaps down the bottom underneath each picture. Originally I wanted the lighthouse to go from the top footer down to the bottom, and this picture of the cargo ship, which looks like it's got eyes and nose, I wanted it to go from the left hand side of the page to the left edge of the lighthouse image. This is the way it looks in the preview, and we'll go back to design mode and you have a look at how it looks in design mode. Now you notice how the design mode and the preview mode do not look anything as the same. That's my issue that I have, and I've been trying so hard to work out what I've done. I've been watching YouTube tutorials, I've been watching Adobe TV, Learn Muse. I really want to use this because of its integration with Photoshop CC and the integration the Lightroom has with Photoshop CC. And yeah, I get this, and I'm not really too sure how to go for it. These pictures have been optimized for the web in Photoshop CC, save to web, put down to the size of the boxes, but this doesn't seem to have done the job. Now I'll go back to design view. Now that is good. I like that. That is my issue with the placement of images from the design view not matching, not translating to the website. But let's go back to my plan. Now this is another issue that I had when I had to change my footer so that it will show up my thumbnail change positions. So now I'm going to have to move my thumbnail up and my text message up like so, and hopefully that is the way it would show up in the web browser. Now I have no problems with that at the moment, because that's what I wanted it to do. Now you watch what happens. This is what I like the most. This is my time-lapse photography. It's the Popeye, an icon in South Australia that goes around the River Torrens from the convention centre right through to the Adelaide Zoo and back, and I like that, and it worked out fine. Okay. The only issue I have here is there's no way for me to stop. This is a full page slideshow, and I haven't quite yet worked out how to stop or put a pause in there. So I'll need to go back to the gallery page. That's not a problem. I like the thumbnails. This is where I'll do thumbnails of galleries. I'm looking at doing a web gallery, but unfortunately Lightroom web gallery it's not integrated into this. Okay, now yeah, so that's basically my website. Any suggestions that someone can make to help me do what I want it to do would be much appreciated.